workout today, and I was going to invite a special guest, so let's see if she'll come. Come here, Lana. Lana, come here. I don't know if she's going to come. Should we go get her?
Yeah.
You guys want to go get her?
Yeah.
Okay. So since we're doing a fun animal workout, we're going to bring in our very own puppy dog. But she's not really a puppy. Let's see if she comes. Lana is a red lab. Lana, come say hi.
Yay, Lana!
Okay, there's Lana. She's going to join us for our animal workout. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do the bear walk. So what we're going to do, girls, is we're going to start over here. Okay, we're going to do a bear walk. So follow me, okay? We're going to walk across. Excuse me, Lana. You're going to walk across like a bear.
What do you like?
Thank you for fixing my mat. Okay, we're going to walk across. Excuse me, Lana. Excuse me, Lana. Like a bear. All right, come on down, kids. Come on, come on, in. Come on. All right, what's our next one, Ariana? Crab walk. Okay, like that. Okay, I'll follow you.
I like my dad.
Okay. Oh, Elena's next. We're going to go up on our hands and our feet, and we're going to lift our bottom up as high as we can and walk backwards like a crab. Good job. All right.
No,
Good job,
froggy jump. I mean, froggy jump.
Froggy's next.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Anna's going to do the froggy jump. Come on. Come on. Come here. All right. I have to do the froggy jump. Here we go.
Next is monkey.
Cool, but I still have to do the froggy. Maybe I won't get time to do the froggy. Should I still do the froggy?
We need to do it out here.
Okay, here I go. You hold on. All right, froggy, here I go. Ribbit. All right, what's the next one?
Monkey.
Monkey. Okay, Elena, can you show us the monkey? Good job, monkey. Okay, you're gonna jump, open, and close. And act like a monkey. Say, ooh, ah. Ooh, ah. Good job. You are. Alrighty. Should we do them again?
Yeah. No, I want to do my bear.
You want to do the bear again? Let's start with the bear. I don't know. We'll see. We'll try. Okay, bear walk. That's not the bear. That's the crab. Turn around like a bear. Here, I'll go first. Follow me. Bear. Wow, that's a fast bear. Okay, crab walk. Follow you. Lift up high. Go backwards like a crab. Can you do it? What's next, Ari?
Cheetah walk. Cheetah.
No.
So,
We have the froggy next. Silly.
yeah.
Froggy. Okay, you ready, Ari? Do the froggy. Froggy house. Go ahead. Oh, no, look. That looks like a kangaroo. We can do that one last. Froggy, go down. Put your hands down. All the way down like a frog. Say ribbit. Kangaroo's last. Next one. What was the last one? The monkey. That was the one. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Okay. Our last one. Kangaroo, we have to jump super far. Okay, she's gonna fix our mat for us. All right, can we be a kangaroo? Okay, big hops. We can pretend to be a bunny or a kangaroo. Okay, go ahead. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Okay. All right, big hops like a kangaroo. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do next? We're gonna act like a sloth and we're gonna cool down. You wanna do your big ones? Okay, you finish up your big hops. Wow. Now, does everyone Everyone know what a sloth is like?
No.
They're slow moving. So we're just gonna do our cool down. We're gonna walk really slow and take deep breaths. Go ahead. Act like a sloth, really slow. Take some deep breaths and cool down. Did you guys have fun during our animal workout?
Yeah.
Really slow. Okay, Lena, can you come back here? All right. We're gonna do a stretch.
Yeah.
We're gonna just stand up tall, reach for our toes, take a deep breath. Who had fun?
Me.
All right. All right, thanks for joining us for our workout. We'll see you next time. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe.